All right, so you know the plan, right?
Don't I always know the plan? It's the exact same thing that we've been doing. Finesse, finesse. I'ma go to the door, knock, knock, knock. You looking for me, Mr. Rich Man? And then I go in there, make him fall for me. You come in and you rob him.
Simple, right?
I was getting into character so that he'll believe us, so that when you come in, it'll be easy for you to get the money. Then you get the money?
I guess, whatever. All right, so, like I said, simple plan. Go up there, boom, 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 you knock on the door. Hey, how you doing? And whoop the whoop, bam to bam, get the money. I ain't gonna scram, all right?
Okay, you just make sure you're not late.
When'd I be late?
You always late.
Define always. Like, what you mean? Always? Man, whatever. Hey.
What?
Remember what I said, all right? None of that touchy-feely bullshit. One day, do your job, come back out.
I know what I'm doing. I've been doing it. You just stay right here and be ready when I text you.
Okay, you know, be ready. Go get that money back with your fine ass. Shit. I think it did go off. That's what happened.
The hell you want?
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought Mr. Berkeley lived here.
Mr. Berkeley do live here, and I'm Miss Berkeley. How can I help you?
Oh, well, I work for him, and I was gonna bring the notes, but he's not here.
Well, I'm here by myself. Ain't no Mr. Berkeley here. So you can just leave all his stuff at the office, and he'll get it when he come back. He's on a business meeting.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that. I'll just drop them off at the office.
Yeah, you do that, whatever.
Okay.
Let's go.
No, baby. Mr. Rich Man ain't there. Just his wife.
What you mean?
He not in here. He went to a business meeting or something.
Oh shit, we gonna catch his ass when he get back then.
You gonna go finesse his wife.
I'm gonna do what?
You gonna go finesse her.
Nah, I don't like that plan.
Yes, you is. You make me go do all the jigs, so you gonna do this jig, and I think she hot and ready.
I'm too gangster for that shit. I ain't with none of that e-harmony mingle shit. Nah, none of that male escort shit.
You gonna do it, cause we need the bill money.
I can get it another way. Streets always open.
Don't nobody even listen to your mixtapes or nothing. You gonna go do this now.
No, the hell I'm not.
Yes, you is.
No, I'm not.
Watch.
On God, no cap. Not doing it. End of the story. I'm not going there on that shit.
Said Mr. Berkeley wasn't here.
What you got going on here?
Nothing. What you doing?
This 0912. Somebody ordered a male stripper. Did you order a male stripper?
Actually, I did. Come here.
Oh God, thank you.
Him so long.
Oh, come here. Oh. You ready for this?
Oh, I guess.
You know?
Oh.
Y'all young boys don't know nothing about these cougars. You know, I see y'all into all this little kinky shit, so I got some.
Okay, you got the key, right?
Fuck the key. We don't need a key.
What is going on? So long.
She wouldn't go to sleep.
What you mean she wouldn't go to sleep?
It took a long time. I used to tranquilize her.
Why is you sweating?
She ain't got no AC. Come on, get the shit.
You ready?
Come on, inside.
Okay.
the drawer. It's in the drawer. Don't hurt us. Don't hurt us.
on? Man, who are you?
Alright, baby. I got everything. Come on.
Okay, bet. Let's go.
Oh, you set me up.
Next time you get robbed, take a bath.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
What?
We didn't pack no tranquilizer. How you put her to sleep?
She had a look. I ain't want to do this at first. You know what I'm saying? You put me up to this.
You look at it. The police come. Let me tell y'all a thing of 3. It's pronounced Kinigra. Now subscribe. Let me squat.
I was gonna say.
Sorry. Okay.
You got it. Hey, motherfucking hell, boy. Shit. I'm hot.
Come on.
you let me know you putting your goddamn legs up. I just feel your knee hit the side of my finger.
Hold up. Okay.
I need a notification going on.
I think we got enough. Yes.
Okay, you got the key, right?
Fuck the key. We don't need a key.
Wait, what you mean for the key?
Okay, that's cool. That was Give me some screams right quick. Hold up. Wait a minute.
What's up? You heard that? No.
See, I see you been doing some push-ups. You been doing
Playing with me,
push-ups.
man.
You got some push-ups. Look at your
Playing with
butt.
me. Jeez, stop. I'm hurting. I'm in pain right now.
What you doing? Oh,
Some of everything. See, she playing. She playing. Yeah, don't have to.
okay.
I got this.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you right now, on God, clear my throat before I tell you this. Go, man. Go.
Jesus, can I cut this? This is long.
Yeah, cut.
Ooh, I cracked myself up. Thanks for watching, because watching me is better than watching TV.